Your Revel Dashboard provides access to your eText and your assessments all in one place. You can organize your dashboard by either chapters or assignments. Expand a chapter or assignment to view your readings and assessments. You'll find a book icon next to readings and a star icon next to assessments. Assessments are anything worth points. Select a reading or an assessment to open it and get to work. When you open a reading, select text or images and choose a color to add a highlight. Select the pencil icon to add a note or the trash icon to remove the highlight or note. You can also select audio playlist to sit back and listen to your eText. You may see a lock icon next to some items in your dashboard. This means that your instructor has set the item to be available at a later date in the term. Your dashboard also keeps you on track with your assignment dates. Past due, due next, and upcoming assignments are clearly labeled in your dashboard, making it hard to miss a due date. But if you do, your dashboard will let you know. Read, work, keep track of your due dates all in one place with your Revel Dashboard.